Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making kakigori with Kinako and Kuromitsu. Kakigori is Japanese shaved ice, usually with flavored syrup on top, like strawberry and matcha syrups. Kakigori is very popular and almost a necessity during the hot and humid summer in Japan. We are making black sugar syrup called Kuromitsu by mixing molasses, sugar, and water. Then we will top with the kinako and sugar mixture. Kinako is soybean powder, which has a distinct nutty flavor of roasted soybeans, similar to peanuts. First, we make the syrup. In a small pot, mix water, sugar, and molasses, and let boil for 3 minutes or so until very slightly thickened. It will thicken further when completely cooled. Let cool or keep it chill in the fridge. We mix kinako and sugar together and set aside. Now we are making kakigori. If you don't have a Japanese kakigori maker, you can use shaved ice machine you can find locally, but Japanese shaved ice is softer and fluffier. Halfway through, add some syrup and add some more shaved ice. Hopefully, you can find a Japanese kakigori maker at a Japanese store or online. Pour the Kuromitsu black sugar syrup. It's pretty sweet, so adjust the amount to your liking. And sprinkle some kinako and sugar mixture. The flavor combination of kinako and kuromitsu is classic for Japanese sweets. It's nutty and sweet, but so refreshing. You should definitely try it if you have never had it before.
美味しい。美味しいね。